Hello everyone, welcome back to EMS Language Learning Channel. This is Chanchal, your host, your trainer. What we're going to do today is we will discuss 15 very commonly used English dialogues which we regularly use in our everyday life. But because of the pronunciation and the stressing techniques, the way the natives say these dialogues and the way we do actually sounds pretty much different. Okay, so when we are done through these 15 dialogues, you will clearly notice yourself that so this was the reason why it always sounded so much different when a native speaks and when we do. Okay, so let's go check it out. And one more thing, as today's video is basically dialogue based, so I will not remain on the screen for a long time. Rather, you will see the dialogues appearing on your screen one by one and along with their pronunciation in Bangla. Okay, and my voice narration will follow. Are you guys okay with that? I'm sure you are. So let's go. Can I ask a favor? Can I ask a favor? Could you help me out? Could you help me out? Could you give me a hand? Could you give me a hand? Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Lend me a hand with this, will you? Lend me a hand with this, will ya? You got it? You got it? What a pleasant surprise! What a pleasant surprise! Not at all. Not at all. You have got me wrong. You got me wrong. What have you got there? What you got there? Do you like him? Do you like him? Sorry, I couldn't call you yesterday. Sorry, I couldn't call you yesterday. Rafiq has to work today. Rafiq has to work today. Come on, let's do it. Come on, let's do it. We need to tell them the truth. We need to tell them the truth. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something from it. And if you have, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also share my videos with your friends, family and relatives. Okay, hopefully I'll be back with a very new video soon. Till then, take good care of yourself, your family and your relatives. Okay, Chanchal here, signing out. Allah Hafiz.